Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and I'm going to start this project off with this wood round, and I got it from, I want to say, Family Dollar, and I am going to cut off the hanger, and then I'm going to give this a couple of coats of white chalk paint, or white acrylic paint, it doesn't matter, whatever you have. Once it's all painted and it's fully dry, I'm going to take these window clings. I don't remember if I got these at Dollar Tree or Family Dollar or Dollar General, but it had this one big round Happy Easter in the center that looked like a wreath. So I am going to put some Mod Podge on this wood round that we painted, and then I am going to lay my window cling on it. I got some brush bristles on there, so I pulled those off, and now I'm going to lay my window cling right in the center, making sure that I remember where the top is for the hanger. And then I'm just going to smooth it out and make sure that it's even. And as you can see, some pieces kind of went over the edges, but that's okay because we're going to take care of them after. So I'm just making sure here that I push out all the air bubbles. I don't want any air bubbles underneath the cling. So I'm going to let that fully dry. Once that is fully dry, I am going to put some sheer ribbon back through the holes that the original hanger was on. And I just use my embossing tool to push the ribbon through. And I'm going to do that on both sides. And then I'm just going to tie it off in a knot on the front on each side. Just tie a quick knot. And I think, yeah, I did double knot these ones. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Once the hanger is all on there, I'm going to take an X-Acto knife and I'm just going to kind of slide it around the edges and cut off those extra pieces. And my blade was really sharp. It was a brand new one, so they come off very easily. And look at how cute it is. Next, I made a messy bow, and I just used some ribbons that were the same colors as the eggs and the flowers in the sign. And I'm just going to hot glue that right to the top. I was trying to figure out where exactly I wanted to place it. I'm going to add that right to the top, and then I added a pink button to the center of my bow. And I'm just going to pop that right on. And that is it. This project is done. I love using window clings in my crafts. They're so easy to work with, and they come in so many designs. And I think this turned out so super cute. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this inspires you to make one. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.